I have this length of beautiful, lightweight, pure wool Italian suiting to use up. It has been waiting for far too long. I can't even remember where it came from. It is so lightweight, it is almost sheer. It's a short length, ideal for a skirt. I have in mind the perfect everyday skirt, a skirt that is a little bit full, allowing plenty of movement. So a normal width waistband, panels would be good, with pockets emerging from the front panel, pocket flaps, soft pleats or gathers. So what to go with it? A shirt with a low revers or lapel collar, and a yoke. If I have enough fabric over, a proper tie would look nice. I will be working on this shirt soon, but my 540 classic shirt would look great in the meantime, and would also look good with a tie. Yes, I think that would do. So fast forward and the pattern is finished and ready to download. I have made it up and I'm very pleased with it. I decided on the soft pleats. I have nice roomy pockets, flaps that flap, but you can stitch them down, top and bottom, if you prefer. Looking at the back, again a pair of pleats either side of the centre back, a little gathering over the hip for the perfect silhouette. The skirt is fully lined. I used this soft grey fabric I already had over from another project. It helps retain the soft drapey feel to this lightweight wool. So the plan was to make a tie out of the fabric left over. Ties should be cut on the bias, but I had to make do with an off-bias version. I'd say for occasional wear that's not too serious. I will add the pattern for the tie and perhaps a sew-along. How to sew the lining set back from the edge takes some explaining. This pattern, the 408 Everyday Skirt pattern, is now available at angelakane.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching, and to all of you who support my site with your membership.